OnePlus unveiled its 12 series at a launch event in India. The company introduced its flagship phone, the OnePlus 12, alongside the OnePlus 12R and the OnePlus Buds 3. The OnePlus 12 has a 6.82-inch of Quad HD Plus LTPO OLED screen and is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The device also features Hasselblad cameras with improved resolution from the previous variants. The OnePlus 12 camera includes a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 64-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. It also has a 32-megapixel front camera. The 5G phone has a 5400 mAh battery that supports 100-watt SuperVOOC charging. The OnePlus 12 comes in two variants. The 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant is priced at 64,999, and the 16GB RAM variant along with 512GB of storage is priced at 69,999. The two colors available are Flowy Emerald and Silky Black. The OnePlus 12R, on the other hand, comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage priced at 39,999 and 16GB RAM with 256GB storage at 45,999. The OnePlus Buds 3 with improved active noise cancellation are priced at 5,499.